We may define a set is a well-defined collection of objects. Means any collection of objects is a set if the collection is well-defined. So you have to remember this condition. We cannot say that a set is a a set is a collection of well-defined objects. That is wrong. It is the well-defined collection of objects. Most important thing is that proper subset. A set B is said to be a proper subset of set A if B is subset of A and B is not equal to A, and we can denote it in this way: B is subset of A. Trivial set. If A is any non-empty set, empty set and the set itself are trivial subset of that set. That is, phi and set A of the set A are its trivial subsets. All subsets of A except phi and A are non-trivial subsets of set A. If cardinality of A equal to n, the number of subset of the set A is equal to 2 to the power n. Its proof is, if B is subset of A, then B contain either 0 elements of set A, B contain 1 element subset A, B contain 2 elements subset of A, or B contain n elements subset A. If B contain 0 elements subset A, that is, you have to select 0 object out of n objects, as set A contain n elements, so it's the number of ways of selection is NC1, NC0. So if B contain 1 element, then number of ways of selection of one object out of n objects is NC1. Similarly NC2, NCn, that is 2 to the power n. Now symmetry difference. So number of non-trivial subset of set A is 2 to the power n minus 2, as A contains n number of elements and A has 2 trivial subsets. Here the total number of subsets is 2 to the power n, but out of these 2 are trivial subsets, so number of non-trivial subsets of A is 2 to the power n minus 2. Now symmetry difference. If A and B are two different sets, then A symmetric difference is denoted by A delta B and defined by the collection of elements which are either in A or in B but not in both A and B. So we may define A symmetric difference B equal to A minus B union B minus A. So there is a question: if A and B are two sets from set X, A1, A to An, containing n elements, then in how many ways A and B can be taken such that A union B equal to X? That is, we have to, if the set X is given and we have to take two subset of set X, that is A and B, such that their union is the set X. Its answer is 3 to the power n. Let us consider an element AI belongs to A and AI belongs to B. Then AI belongs to in both A and B, that is obviously A union B equal to the set X. If AI belongs to A and AI does not belongs to B, then the union is also A union B equal to X. If AI does not belongs to A but in B, then A union B also X. So for each elements of the set X has 3 possible ways. So for n elements, 3 into 3 into 3 into up to n times, that is 3 to the power n. Another question: in how many ways the set A and B can be formed a set from the set X contain n elements such that A intersection B equal to 5? Its answer is also again 3 to the power n. As A intersection B equal to 5, for any elements AI of the set X, either AI does not belongs to A, does not belongs to B. If AI does not belongs to A and does not belongs to B, then A intersection B equal to 5. If AI does not belongs to A but in B, then A intersection B is also 5. If AI belongs to A and does not belongs to B, then A intersection B is also 5. So each element of set X has 3 possible ways. So for n elements, 3 to the power n. How many different sets A and B from the set containing n elements can be prepared such that A intersection B is a singleton set? That is, let the set contain n number of elements A1 to An. Let the set X and A and B are two subset of X, so that A intersection B is a singleton set. From n elements, we have to choose one element. That is, number of ways of selection one element out of n different elements is NC1. That is, this element lies in both A and B, so number of ways of selection is NC1. Now remaining n minus 1 elements, they must not be in both A and B at a time. If these for remaining n minus 1 elements, either they are not in B, not in A, not in B, are in A, not in B, or not in A, are in B. That is for these conditions. These AI are the remaining n minus 1 elements. So for remaining n minus 1 elements, the number of ways of arrangement is 3 to the power n minus 1. So the required answer is nc1 into 3 to the power nc1. 3 to the power n minus 1, that is 3 to the power n minus 1. Some question: how many different set A and B from the set containing L elements can be prepared such that A intersection B contain R elements? So suppose you have, that is, we have to select R elements from the set X such that which are lies in A and lies in B. So number of ways of selecting R objects out of n objects is NCR, and remaining n minus R elements, so that A intersection B is equal to 5. Now remaining n minus R elements, AI does not belongs to A, does not belongs to B, belongs to A, does not belongs to A, does not belongs to A, belongs to B. That is, each elements have 3 options. So as their number is 3 to the n minus R, so number of ways of selection is 3 to the power n minus R. So this is NCR into 3 to the power n minus R into 1 to the power 1. That is NCR into 3 to the power n minus R.